Hello everyone. Imagine a system in physics that builds up too much energy without a release. It could collapse or cause damage. In the same way, unwanted pregnancies without safe solutions can put immense strain on women's health and society. That's where medical termination of pregnancy, or MTP, comes in. It refers to the intentional ending of a pregnancy under medical supervision. Unlike natural abortions, which occur spontaneously, MTP is a deliberate, carefully guided process. India legalized MTP in 1971, not just as a medical policy but as a step to reduce maternal deaths and safeguard women's rights, just like applying a safety valve in a pressurized system.
Why do we need MTP? Think of it like regulating current in an electric circuit. If too much flows unchecked, the system overheats. Similarly, unsafe abortions once contributed significantly to maternal mortality. MTP protects mothers when pregnancy threatens their physical or mental health. It also helps when severe genetic disorders are detected in the fetus. For couples with failed contraception, MTP ensures reproductive autonomy. And finally, by preventing unplanned births, it indirectly helps in controlling population growth, much like applying a resistor in a circuit to keep things balanced. Now, every system needs rules. In physics, we have laws like Newton's laws or Ohm's law to set boundaries. In India, MTP is governed by the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, passed in 1971 and amended in 2017. Up to 12 weeks, a single doctor's consent is required. From 12 to 24 weeks, the doctors must agree. Grounds include protecting maternal health, preventing birth defects, or pregnancies from assault and rape. The act is like a gunning equation, providing conditions under which the process is safe, legal, and medically justified while preventing misuse. Now, let's talk about the methods. Just like in physics, we choose different tools depending on the scale of the problem. Medical methods use drugs like mifepristone and misoprostol to terminate early pregnancies, just as we use small corrections for minor errors in an experiment. Surgical methods such as vacuum aspiration or dilation and evacuation are applied at later stages, like recalibrating a machine when small fixes aren't enough. The choice depends on pregnancy stage, the mother's health, and expert advice, reinforcing the principle that the right tool must match the right condition. But just like every experiment has uncertainties, MTP too carries risks. Complications like bleeding, infection, or injury to reproductive organs can occur. There are also ethical debates. Does the fetus have rights, or do maternal rights take priority? Late-term abortions especially raise moral dilemmas, and that's why strict laws limit them. On top of that, social stigma prevents many women from seeking safe services. Here, counseling and confidentiality become as important as the medical procedure itself, just like error analysis is as critical as the experiment in physics. Let's do a simple calculation, the way we solve a physics problem. Suppose in a population there are 100 maternal deaths a year and 20 of them are due to unsafe abortions. If MTP services reduce unsafe abortions by 75%, how many lives are saved? Calculation: unsafe abortion deaths is equal to 20. Reduction is equal to 75% of 20, which equals 15. So, 15 lives saved annually. Now imagine scaling this to a larger population. Safe MTP saves thousands of mothers every year. This is just like reducing system losses in physics. A small correction leads to massive overall improvement.
So, let's quickly revise. MTP is the intentional termination of pregnancy under medical supervision. It was legalized in India under the MTP Act 1971 and expanded in 2017. We saw why it's needed: to reduce unsafe abortions, protect mothers, prevent genetic disorders, and ensure reproductive rights. Methods include medical and surgical approaches. While risks and ethical debates exist, the overall benefit to public health is undeniable. Just as in physics, where safety measures prevent unstable systems from collapsing, MTP ensures society remains safe, balanced, and humane. I hope this session helped you understand how science, whether in physics or medicine, always works to maintain balance and protect life. See you in the next topic.